Danica. Look at take it away.
Hey Lou, you gonna help Mommy get the rest of the presents out?
We still have quite a few to get out from under the tree, kid.
Thank you! I hold it. Oh, okay.
Some of these are big, huh?
It's big.
Oh, heavy.
Heavy.
Who's that one for? Do you know?
That.
Is it going in your pile?
Let me read the tag. That's hers. It is. Yeah. Merry Christmas.
It's a big pile you're getting.
Thanks to Grandpa.
I don't remember what my wrapping paper is.
That color.
Good job wrapping, huh?
You find a bow?
I didn't get very many bows.
I found a boat.
Oh, put it on the bow. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, babe.
Yeah. I didn't have any of them on though. Dad must have done that.
We put them on here.
Oh.
D for Danica.
A D for Danica. That's pretty cool. That's nice. Oh, yeah. Okay. Rip, rip. Okay. Oh, we need a bag. Hold on, we need to get a bag. We got some hair things. Those are pretty. Pretty. Okay, you gonna open another one? Who's that one from? Should we see? Oh, I think that's the mom. New puzzle! Oh, puzzle! Huh? You wanna open? You getting it?
A bow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at bow. Ooh, new clothes!
Oh, clothes.
New clothes! Yay! Yeah, let's move on to another one right away. Thank you very much, Grandma, for the new clothes. These are cute. Oh, velour pants. Yeah, very nice. Little pockets on the back. I thought that was cute.
Who's that one from?
Good question. A boa and a puppy. Sent you that. Need to get on that, I guess. Those are cute. No, that's our paper, Terry. We didn't get that. Yeah, to push these buttons.
Danica. Should look at the camera and say, thanks, cousins.
Wearing your
Thanks
boa.
for the pretty boa.
Oh, it's so nice. Pretty. Gotta make sure her bow is on good.
Slippers.
Rip. What could it be? Is it new toys? Maybe open the end that doesn't have a picture. Huh? You open the end that doesn't have a picture. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Who's that one from?
Santa's. Huh?
From Santa?
Is that from Santa? I don't know who Santa is. No, that wasn't
I
mine.
think that's Nanny Santa.
Oh, no, it could be. All right, should we open?
put together.
Oh, shopping
Oh,
cart.
big put together.
Yay.
My mommy.
Okay, pull it out. Oh. So assembly required. I'll have to see Daddy.
Card. And tickets.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Oh,
Here's all your groceries where you've been shopping.
Wow.
uh,
That's cool. You can put a lot of stuff in there.
oh boy.
I better wear it. Everybody's got to wear a bow when they go shopping.
Oh. Oh, baby.
Oh, you're buying clothes today too? Open.
Oh, Shelly getting more there.
Oh no.
What? Oh no, what?
Oh, something.
It's,
Oh.
where did what go? Nothing.
Card.
Huh? Your card is right here. Blind person.
Shelby took off their card.
That's what you thought.
Ooh. Wow, what'd you get?
I
Did you get a table? That would be handy in the new house. Huh?
You turn it.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's nice.
and 2 chairs so you can have a friend over. Princess table. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, you can sit there with your cousins and your friends when they come to visit. Have a tea party with your tea set.
Oh,
Santa the Colorado
Oh,
division.
nice.
yes.
That's nice.
Oh, that's so nice.
Oh, boy.
What is that?
Go, Sonny. Go, Sonny.
Wow. There's-
Bubble
I think
wrap.
that's new books in there. Oh, nice. Should we open and see? Ooh, sweet. Those are pretty cool. Wow.
Yeah, I think you'd have to hire an engineer to get them all back in there.
Those, and then that.
Those are big ones.
Holy cow.
Big blocks. Yeah.
Did you see that little? She's a big Monty fan, you know. Take a picture of Daddy.
What's cool about that one is she can spin it around and take self-portraits.
You gonna take a picture?
That is so cool.
I think it's upside down.
Take you a minute to figure out how to use it.
Wow, your own camera.
Wow.
Hey, cheese. Wait till she sees it. She can take a picture. She's gonna be
Push this
fascinated.
button. I think you can push this button and you can take a picture. Oh. Sucks in.
Gotta get every present stuffed into that tin.
It's about the moon, so I thought maybe she might be interested. us to try in a new theme. Is it a DVD? It's Care Bears. Oh, the Care Bears.
We still have Care Bears out?
Yeah.
Planet.
It is a planet.
Take a home.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mommy open? Say this one's from the cousins. Thank you, cousins.
Oh.
Looks like a lot of nice stuff.
Oh, new hair bows.
Oh, those are nice for your pretty hair.
And look at this wild dress.
Oh, boy.
boy.
That's a nice
That's
dress.
a nice dress. Fancy leggings. They got beads on them. And look at all these new socks.
Cool.
Those are nice.
Good, thanks, Auntie.
Those are real nice socks. Those socks have some personality.
Say that one's from Santa, Colorado Santa. Open the lid, Mom, so we can watch.
Can you tear it open?
Rip, rip.
Move it.
Mommy, open it. Alright. Let me tie up the lid so you can see your little face. You're just too tired to do it? No clothes!
Oh boy.
More new clothes!
Look at that.
Cute!
Hey, thank you.
Look at that! Fun pants underneath.
Can you say thanks, Santa?
I think she's officially